Welcome to the recorded demo video of the Jharkhand Integrated Public Grievance Redressal System for ULB Admin. In this video, you will be introduced to the features and functioning of the system. Visit the official eGov portal and click on the login option available on the system interface. To log in as an admin, select the admin option from the drop-down menu under the login button. Upon selecting the admin login, the user will be directed to the login page. Enter the username and password in the corresponding fields provided, then click on the login button. After successfully log in, the user will be redirected to the ULB admin dashboard. The ULB admin dashboard provides an overview of grievance summaries and options for related actions on the home page, including grievances received, grievances resolved, grievances pending, grievances rejected. Select the Search Grievance option on the dashboard to retrieve the desired grievance list or a specific grievance. Here, the user can filter the desired grievance or grievance list by filling in the relevant criteria. To view the grievance details, select the desired grievance and click the View button. The complete grievance details will be displayed along with its current status. By selecting the Custom Data Master option on the dashboard, users can efficiently manage and configure various aspects of the system, including Users Master, Workflow Masters. These options enable users to streamline data management and system configurations. To manage all users, select the User Master option. The list of users will be displayed along with the following details: user basic details, created date, status. Edit option allows users to modify existing user details. To add a new user to the available list, the user can select the corresponding option and proceed with the required inputs. To manage all workflows, select the Workflow Master option. The list of workflows will be displayed along with the following details: workflow basic details, created date, status, options for related actions. To add a new workflow to the available list, the user can select the corresponding option and proceed with the required inputs. Select the Reports option on the dashboard to view various reports, including Grievance Report, Grievance SLA Report, Workflow-wise Report, Resolution Days Report. To view the complete details of registered grievances, select the Grievance Report option. Upon selecting the Grievance Report option, a list of grievances will be displayed along with a filter option to retrieve your desired grievance. Select your desired grievance and click the View button to see its complete details. Grievance complete details will be displayed along with its current status. To view grievances based on service level agreement timelines, select the Grievance SLA Report option. Upon selecting the Grievance SLA Report option, a list of grievances will be displayed along with a filter option to retrieve your desired grievance. Select your desired grievance and click the View button to see its complete details. Grievance complete details will be displayed along with its current status. To view grievances categorized by different workflows, select the Workflow-wise Report option. Upon selecting the Workflow-wise Report option, a list of workflows will be displayed along with a filter option to retrieve your desired workflow. Select your desired workflow and click the View button to see the grievance list. The total number of grievances under the selected workflow will be displayed. To view the time taken to resolve grievances, select the Resolution Days Report option. Upon selecting the Resolution Days Report option, a list of grievances will be displayed along with a filter option to retrieve your desired grievance. Here, The user can see the grievance status and the duration in days taken for its resolution. Thank you for watching the recorded demo. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos.